Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of your dreams, your potential waiting to be unleashed. But there's a chain holding you back. That chain? It's self-doubt. Now I want you to picture breaking free from that chain, stepping into the best version of yourself. What if I told you that everything you need to succeed is already inside you? The only thing missing is trust. Trust in you. Today we're going to break those chains and unlock the unstoppable power within you. Self-doubt. The silent saboteur. Self-doubt. It's the silent voice in the back of your head that whispers, "You're not good enough. You'll fail." Or, "You're not ready." It's a voice that's paralyzed dreams, stopped people from reaching their potential, and kept them stuck in the same place, year after year. But here's the truth. Self-doubt is not a reflection of your abilities, it's a learned habit. And like any habit, it can be broken. You weren't born doubting yourself. Think back to when you were a child, unafraid to try, to fall, to get back up. You trusted yourself then. So what changed? Somewhere along the line, we've been conditioned to fear failure, to seek validation from others instead of trusting our own instincts. But that ends now. Step 1. Recognize your inner critic. The first step to breaking the chains of self-doubt is recognizing the inner critic. That voice that tells you you're not capable? It's not you. It's the accumulation of past failures, rejections, and fears. But here's the thing. It's lying to you. You are not your past. You are not your failures. You are a work in progress, and every step forward is proof of your growth. When that inner critic speaks, acknowledge it, but don't accept it as truth. Say, "I hear you, but I don't believe you." Step 2. Rewire your mindset. Next, it's time to rewire your mindset. You can't expect a new outcome by clinging to old beliefs. Start telling yourself a different story. You see, self-doubt is fueled by fear, but trust is built through action. Remind yourself of the times you succeeded, of the moments you overcame challenges, even if they were small. These are the building blocks of trust in yourself. Write them down. Celebrate them. And every time self-doubt creeps in, remind yourself, "I've faced worse before and I came through. I'll do it again." 3. Take action, no matter how small. The most powerful way to trust yourself again is through action. Action is the antidote to fear. Even if it's a small step, take it. Self-doubt thrives in inaction. When you hesitate, it grows. But when you move, when you take that first step, no matter how small, it shrinks. The key is momentum. Trust doesn't come from thinking about doing something. It comes from actually doing it. So, take that first step today. The smallest action will give you more confidence than the biggest plan left undone. Step 4. Surround yourself with belief. Lastly, surround yourself with people who believe in you. Self-doubt is contagious, but so is confidence. When you're around people who uplift you, who see your potential even when you can't, something incredible happens. You start to see it too. Find mentors, friends, or even just inspiring voices. People who push you to be better, to do better, and to trust in yourself again. So, let's make a commitment, right here, right now. Break the chains of self-doubt. Decide today that you will trust yourself again. Trust your journey. Trust your ability to grow, to adapt, and to succeed. The next time self-doubt whispers, "You can't," I want you to stand tall and say, "Watch me." Because deep down, you know that you are more powerful than your fears, stronger than your doubts, and capable of achieving more than you ever imagined. Now go. Take that first step. You've got this. End with a strong call to subscribe and engage with the audience. If this message resonated with you, hit that subscribe button, because this journey to self-trust and success, we're walking it together. You've just begun to unlock your true potential, and I can't wait to see where you go next.